Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about something that can sometimes feel a little intimidating. Math. Many people believe that you are either a math person or you are not. I'm here to tell you that this idea is simply not true. Everyone, and I mean everyone, has the ability to learn and succeed in mathematics. It is like learning a new language or a musical instrument. It takes practice, patience, and the right mindset. The journey might have its challenges, but the feeling of solving a difficult problem is one of the most rewarding experiences you can have. This guide is designed to give you the tools you need to start that journey with confidence and curiosity. Think of math not as a list of rules to memorize, but as a giant interconnected puzzle. Each concept you learn is a new piece of that puzzle. One of the biggest traps in learning math is focusing only on memorizing formulas and steps. You might learn how to solve a specific type of problem, but if you do not understand why the method works, you will be lost when the problem changes slightly. True math success comes from understanding the core concepts. Think about it like following a recipe. If you only memorize the steps, add flour, add sugar, bake at 350 degrees, but if you understand why you add baking soda, to make it rise, or why you cream the butter and sugar, to add air, you can start creating your own recipes and fixing problems when they occur. Math is the same. Let's take a simple example. Finding the area of a rectangle. The formula is area equals length times width. Imagine a rectangle that is 4 inches long and 3 inches wide. You can visualize this as a grid, 4 columns, 3 rows, so multiply 3 times 4 to get 12 squares. This is why the formula works, a fast way of counting all the little squares. Mathematics is a cumulative subject. Everything you learn is built upon what you have learned before. You cannot build a strong, tall skyscraper on a weak foundation. In the same way, you cannot expect to master algebra if you are not comfortable with arithmetic. Basics, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, are your alphabet. Fractions, decimals, percentages are your simple words. Algebra is like forming sentences. Each step is crucial. Each step is crucial. For example, if you are struggling with simplifying fractions, the problem might not be with fractions at all. The real issue might be that you are not fully confident with your multiplication tables. By going back and practicing your multiplication facts until they are automatic, you will find simplifying fractions becomes much easier. Learning math is a lot like training for a sport, or learning to play a musical instrument. You cannot become a great basketball player by only practicing once a month. You cannot become a skilled pianist by practicing for 5 hours one day and then not touching the piano for 2 weeks. The key to building skill and muscle memory is consistent, regular practice. The same is true for your math muscle. Practicing a little bit every day is far more effective than one long, exhausting study session right before a test. This approach, known as